All right, so I want us to look at simple interest. Simple interest involves interest calculated only on the principal amount. The formula for your simple interest is your interest is equal to your principal times your rate times the time. The rate is always expressed as a decimal when calculating simple interest. The time is always represented in years, and your principal is just that starting amount that either you borrow or that you loan out. And so let's see if we can just calculate the simple interest on this example. It says my principal is $4,000, my rate is 6%, and we're going to do it for 1 year. So in order to find the interest, we have I equals P times R times T. Okay, so then I equals my principal amount, which is 4,000, times my rate. Now again, we want to take that rate and we want to convert it into a decimal. And so if we convert it into a decimal, we get 0.06, and then times the number of years, which in this case is 1 year. Now if we take those three and we multiply them together, we find our interest in the amount of $240. All right, so let's look at another example. This example says a student took out a simple interest loan for $2,400 for 2 years at a rate of 7%. So what is the interest on the loan? Now again, we're talking about simple interest, and so the formula for finding simple interest is your interest is equal to your principal amount times the rate times the time. So let's just fill in what we know. So again, we're looking for our interest. Our principal amount is the amount that we borrow, so that is $2,400. R is the rate of the interest, which is 7%. So again, we turn that to a decimal, so 0.07. And then T is your number of years, which we are going to do this loan for 2 years. And so we just plug in for my principal, rate, my time. And now if we take those three values and we multiply them together, we get an interest value of $336.